Hey guys, so in this video you're going to see how I do my first full-headed braidless crochet. So stay tuned to see the style. Alright guys, so I got my comb, I got my scissors, and then this is a crochet cap that I got sent by Shake and Go a few years ago. My rubber bands, and of course my crochet needle. And then I'm going to be using Outre's Water Wave and 14 inches in the color F430. So this is the crochet cap, and it came with 3 combs, and I cut them out because I wasn't feeling it. I was trying to have this style be with as least tension as possible because I'm always braiding my hair up for crochet braids usually. So I just wanted a style that didn't have that tension. So this is me just deciding where I want my part to be, because I wanted to kind of go with like a side part. And then I just did 3 ponytails, a big one in the back and then 2 on the sides, and then I connected them all. The hair came pre-looped in a brown rubber band, and I did not like that at all, so I just popped it off. And then for the install, you have to make sure that you get your hair and the weaving net when you go through. If not, once you cut it, I learned this the hard way, once you cut it, it's going to be really loose. So I had to make sure that I went under my hair and through the crochet cap as well, just to make sure that it had a good hold. And at first I knotted the hair once and I noticed that it was really loose, so I started knotting the hair 2 to 3 times. Not a lot because I really don't plan on wearing this really long, but yeah, that's what I did. I knotted it 2 to 3 times. Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to come in real quick and let y'all know, like, this is 1 pack. That's 1 pack. So what I want to do is like go around the bun. I really don't want to put any hair on the bun, but if I have to, I will. So, and I think I'm going to start splitting the hair once, and it comes pre-looped like this with this like little rubber band. So what I've been doing is just popping it off. I'm not really feeling it, so yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I think I'm gonna just split the hair once for the rest of the installs. I don't want to run her hair, so yeah. Okay, so when I split the hair, I just run my finger through the strands and then I quickly pull it apart to keep it from getting tangled. I wasn't always looking in the mirror, so I put that clip right there just so I wouldn't put it over my part, and that was the part where I was going to be cutting at, so that's why I put the clip here. Now when you cut it, keep in mind that the net is going to pull back, so you want to make sure that you put the hair on there tight enough to where it won't go back, because I wasn't getting all of my hair. This was my first time trying this style, and I wasn't getting all my hair and the net together, so it pulled back, and I had a lot more to do when I took that net off than I thought. So yeah, just a word of advice, guys. But that's enough for me talking. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Alicia Jones. I'm back again with a new video, and in today's video I will be doing a braidless crochet. I think it's been probably about a year since I did my last braidless crochet, but I'm doing it with, this is Outre's Water Wave, and it's 14 inches in the color F430. So I thought the color was so cute, so I wanted to try this. I got it from my local beauty supply for $5.99 a pack, and I bought 6 packs, but I only ended up using 5.5. Guys, this hair, it is so big, it's so full, and it's like that because I split the hair. I didn't want to run out of hair, so in the back, the first pack, what I did was just installed it as is, and then as I went along, I just split the hair once, and this is just what it looks like. So yeah, and it comes with that little rubber band. But install, it was a little bit different for me. You know, I've never tried a full headed braidless crochet before. I usually do half up, half down. So this was kind of new to me. Is for me, I wish I would have went in with some edge control to hold some of my hair down, because it started frizzing up a little bit at the top, because where I'm filming it is a little bit warm, but it started frizzing up. So I wish I would have slicked the hair down a little bit more, let it dry, and mold it. So I wish I would have molded it more before I started in with the install. I wish I would have put more hair over the net before I cut it, because what happened was I cut the net and then it like pulled, and then some of the hair just went back. So I had all this space that I didn't think I was gonna have. So I was worried about running out of hair. But the mousse that I have been using, I've been going in with this Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. It's supposed to have like a 24-hour lift in one use. This is what I've been going with recently. I was knotting the hair once at the back, and then I noticed that it was not as tight as I wanted it to be. So I started knotting the hair about 2 to 3 times. So yeah guys, this is it. I'm going to cut this hair a lot more, like cut some of it off, because it's July, it's hot, and I don't want to have so much hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, look how thick this is. This is what 5 packs will do split. So if I would have split the first pack, I probably would have only needed 4. But guys, this is pretty much it for this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. I have another crochet video coming up after this one, and then I have a Shein haul. So you guys stay tuned, and I'm trying to get to 4K. So if you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Help me reach my goal of 4K, and I will be having a giveaway, of course, once I reach 4K. But yeah, I'm trying to get out as much videos as I can because I'm about to have surgery and I'm like freaked out about it. But if you're gonna have surgery on something, don't go on YouTube and watch videos on it. Just don't. But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.